Today's on President Luis Andros speech today. So since tapos na yung yung kay Marcos, tapos na siya magsa-SONA speech sa pabansang Batasan, ibig sabihin ako na next. So since magsa-speech na ako sa Quezon Memorial Circle sa Museo ni Manuel L. Quezon, its name is the State of the Nation. The kid president's state of the nation. So, dapat always take care of health natin para hindi tayo makaaway or magagawa ng war. So, dapat pag naging kayong president, dapat mag-always mag-study hard always. Kasi parang maboboto kayo sa president. In the next speech of President Luis Andros Duterte, the first Philippine kid president, since magpa-first speech na ako dito sa Quezon Memorial Circle next Sunday. So thank you po and I'll see you in the next speech.